Hi everyone, this is Ethan Wang from DFI Product Center. Stepping into the future with our COM product MTH968. Boasting a dedicated NPU for AI tasks, Intel Core Ultra processor delivers up to 34 TOPS, and the dual DDR5 SoC support up to 64 GB memory capacity. This compact powerhouse redefined possibilities. It also brings the power-saving features. It allows to turn off the CPU cores and drive us to the minimal power consumption. Harness of speed and efficiency of NVMe SSD support, coupled with Compressed Type 6 or 3.1 compatibility of cutting-edge AOT features. At 95 square millimeters, it's both compact and lightweight, fitting into any environment. Join us on this journey as we push the boundary of what's possible. With DFI and MTH968, this future is here and it's brighter than ever.